where Kerala can be written. These two gentlemen need to contribute for that.
That's good running. Maximizing the output. You've got to try and rotate strike. That's what Rajiv's done. If you can't get a boundary, look for a single. Don't play out dot deliveries. Remember, these two teams were the unbeaten sides. The Kerala strikers and their supporters in the dugout.
Absolutely. We see the Tamil Nadu Rhinos gathered here. That's the good try from Salim, trying to strike a big one. Raman, Kerala has to win this edition of CCL, this trophy, glittering trophy. They need to score at least minimum 90 to 100, anything between that.
You know, the other thing is, it's such a short format, Sunil. I do agree with you that at least about 90 or 100, because anything less than 90 and 1 over can change the game completely. We've seen a couple of big overs in the matches in the tournament where a 20-run over or a 25-run over has completely changed the complexion of a game.
What we saw yesterday, Varun Badola bowled for Mumbai Heroes. He gave 23 runs and changed the game for Telugu Warriors.
Outside edge, and that's going to be 4. Third man was up. These are valuable runs whichever way they come by.
That's interesting. You know, see the boundary there, trying to hit over the covers, but went over the third man. Nevertheless, that's 4 valuable runs.
You can't set a field for this. This is a streaky boundary, and I'm sure Samrat will be a little disappointed.
More than disappointment, surprise as well. That's the Kerala dugout. You could see the bubbling faces from the Kerala strikers team as well, supporting their team.
There's no dearth of glamour, I can tell you that. When it comes to Celebrity Cricket League, it's a perfect mix of cricket, entertainment, stars from different film industries from across the country coming together on one platform. I think it's fantastic, this concept. Bala's looking a little worried, the captain for the Kerala strikers. He knows there aren't enough runs on the board.
They need runs, Raman. It's nearly 7 overs now. Yes, 59 for 2 of 7 overs.
राजीव के 33 रन, 2 छक्के, 2 चौके, 5 डॉट बॉल. देखिए, क्रिटिकल एलिमेंट ये है कि स्ट्राइक रोटेट करिए. जब बड़े शॉट नहीं लगा सके तो सिंगल्स और टूज ढूंढें, और वही काम सलीम को भी करना पड़ेगा दूसरे एंड के ऊपर.
बिल्कुल आपने सही बोला रमन. You see the glamour world again, back again on the screen, and very important for Kerala strikers at this stage to get 40 runs of 18 balls. Can they do it?
We'll find out, but I'll come back to a point that Vineet and Ajay were making a little while ago, Sunil. फिल्म प्रोडक्शन की बात चल रही थी, फिल्म वर्ल्ड खेल रही है यहाँ पर. बात कर रहे थे कि अगर मूवी बनेगी तो विनीत कह रहे थे हीरो तो मैं होऊंगा. मेरा सवाल ये कि आप सपोर्ट कास्ट में हैं तो आप क्या चाहेंगे उस मूवी के अंदर, किस तरह की प्रोडक्शन वैल्यूज चाहेंगे? विनीत पीछे बैठे, बता दीजिए.
विनीत जी ने बताया था, जिक्र किया था मूवी के बारे में कमेंटेटर्स के लिए. We see the another personality from the film industry. Coming back to that movie topic, yes, of course, Vineet has the, if he has to direct, if he has to produce, then we all need to fall back with Vineet, what role he can give it to us. Got to protect your main computer, which is going to be important for the remaining life, as the inside edge, or it can go anywhere. So it's always better to have, when you have the protection, when you have the gears, why don't you use it?
बेंच पर से देखिए थोड़ी प्रोत्साहन दिए जाता हुआ, और इंतजार है कुछ बैटर्स को कि उनको मौका मिले अंदर जाके कुछ रन्स बनाए केरला स्ट्राइकर्स के लिए, क्योंकि रन्स कम है अभी स्कोरबोर्ड पे 60. अगर इसी तरह से स्कोर किया तो शायद 85 के ऊपर नहीं जाएंगे.
Very true, and Prince is very effective on this track. That's another dot ball. अगर आप देखा जाए तो रमन, यहाँ पे प्रिंस ने अपनी पेस को काफी वेरी किया हुआ है. He has bowled a slow balls, he has bowled a sharp ones, back of a length. He's been very successful in utilizing his skill.
6 गेंदें 1 रन सलीम के नाम, और इस ओवर में तो केवल 1 रन आया 22 के चलते 4 गेंदों में। Pressure on the batsman. He's looking for a release shot. Doesn't get it. It's in the vacant region. Oh, he wasn't looking for a single as well. Chance of a run out. Prince dislodged the bails before he had the ball in his hand.
That's the fumble which Prince missed it. He should have been behind the stumps, whereas he was in front of the stumps. Absolutely, Salim did not see the ball where it went, and his partner has already reached the crease.
I tell you what, that throw was probably going to be bang on the stumps, and I think he's dislodged the bails before the ball actually made contact.
Rajiv needs to strike. Kerala Strikers has to get some respectable total to put a fight for their bowlers.
Really wonder. They're very happy, of course, hoping that the team gets a few runs. The Kerala Strikers' lucky charm, so to speak, on the bench. Oh, he could have left that alone. He could have left that alone, would have gotten a wide and an extra delivery, but he's going to retain strike. 8 overs gone, 62 for 2.
Kerala Strikers scored 62 with loss of 2 wickets.
8 overs bowled, 19 dot deliveries. That's over 3 overs by the Telugu Warriors have been dot balls. And Kerala Strikers just struggling to get those big shots going, struggling to rotate strike. 62 for 2. सुनील, दिलचस्प है कि तेलुगु वॉरियर्स एक प्रोफेशनल यूनिट की तरह परफॉर्म करती हुई फाइनल के अंदर